today see about how to learning English for kids. First for hi, hello, hi, hello. Any close friends for hi. Then hello for introduced by someone new for hello. So hi and hello is a first impression in a friends. Then next for anyone ask how are you? Then my answer for I am fine or I am good. Anyone ask how are you? I am fine or I am good. This is the correct answer. The next for anyone ask what are you doing? So correct answer for you any do work for I am playing football. This is the you playing football. So what are you happen? What are you doing? Anyone ask. I am playing football. This is the correct answer. Your side reading book. Anyone ask what are you doing? I am reading in book. So correct answer for I am reading book. What are you doing? I am reading in a book. So this is the correct answer. Anyone ask what happened? So my side answer for what happened. My side answer nothing. Nothing is a correct answer. Anyone ask what happened? So correct answer nothing. Any other happen? So you ask a correct answer. Next for what you want. Correct answer for anyone ask what you want. I want your pencil. Then I want your bicycle. I want your car. Any answer you give me. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.